Yeah, thing up now. Mm. Complexity, man. 76. I'm waiting him down the number. Not 28, 82. Gully, Madam Main. Yeah, I think, yeah. Madam Main. When you share the live, send out the live, send it out. Cause some boy turn internet bad man boy. Yeah. This a boy, me not even like talking. Right now, me don't know what the gardener deal with. The gardener with this brother yeah. Pussy, remember say Alana used to cut. You going like say you're bad man. You're soft like plastic. Easy to melt. You don't know nothing about badness. The gardener. Nato. Bumbucklad. Ricky Do. Bumbucklad. Yo. Jaja. A joke. Yo, Mr. The brother in a bag $6 million for crash a sting. You are going to pay for carry out your casket. And that you are going to use the $6 million and do. Pay 6 months for carry out your blood clot casket. You know no sense, boy. Yeah, man. You are hot, man. Come off of your blood clot Instagram. Come off of your phone. You're still forward in a 2023. I play a levels card. Play a levels card. Boy, I'm sorry for you. Come here and tell us, yo, right now. But just address certain things when me hear you say, because I wasn't on your live earlier on. I'm here you say you talk about Eggy and talk about artist entourage and who you know want war. And so war go pussy. If you're bad, anybody call your name, you answer. Why you afraid of your name? Demarco, you're a batty man. Girl shit on your forehead. Pussy. Girl pissing on your mouth. Batty boy, girl pissing on your nose. Go suck out your mama. Me can this the reverse. We all know you can't find a song. Do a song and call me name. Me do whole heap of song and call your name. Me do one song named King Kong Killer. When you say King Kong. Me do one song named KFC Cashier. And me do one song named Killy Killy. Cause remember say you love hot wings, you know. You love hot wings, batty boy. Yeah. You love hot things. Be a man and joke, you go suck your mama. I wanna share this. I wanna tag him in it. Because Demarco, you know he is not really a no bad artist. I be a fucker song you sing, you know. Me not lie. Me not lie. Let me give you credit. You sing some nice girl song. You understand me? I say you sing some nice liquor like Falling Soldier, like oh he's a falling soldier. Yeah. It relate to you. Yeah, nice liquor song and them something there. But when it come on to war, you not have no title boy, you pussy. You never take a Sumfest. You never take a Sting. You never take no big show boy. Yeah. And no boy we bend and we lean can't talk to me because you're not straight. Remember your foot them bend pussy. You can't chat to me. Why your foot them bend? A man bend you up. You need to do a song, me G. Make a war no. You are fully bad. You are coyote. You are she, you know. Zine? Alright. Me want warrior. Me want warrior. Me want warrior. Forward. Make a war. Ready. You want war? Stop the chatting, batty man. I make you do some song. Cause remember me shoot off of you already, you know. And shoot, you know. And we do interview on Zip FM, both of us, yeah. And remember you draw a level card and say me not depend your level. But Demarco, check it. Flex in the complex, eat before you know. Me eat before you know dance hall, you know. You want me to remind you? You want me to remind you? Me eat pan power cut. Me eat pan after dark. You remember Gully Christmas? You remember walk with them casket? Them time there before you have sung in a dance hall, pussy. And then me come in at 2009. And it will swear and I will never. And Gully Side College. Pussy. Me did have a farm, of course. I had a fall farm, big up Taya, my ex. We had a fall farm together, a chicken farm. Egg, one heap of egg we sell. Enough. Millions. Millions, because the farm was ours, it wasn't rented. Millions. Pussy. You was no me fool. And you see where there, when you go around a grand spend, you say for me and you did a war pussy, you could go around there. I remember me tell you that. You see where there when you go a grand spend on a boom Sunday, when you go around there with your bend up, bumbo clad self. You say for me and you did a war, you could go around there, pussy. May I tell you that? May I tell you that? So when you forward pan internet and forward pan your Instagram through, you feel like say your phone can save you. You forward pan your Instagram and chat your bag of fuck with Mr. Gardner. You don't have no secret for me and you don't have no bomb, you don't have nothing about Flexx in the complex. Cause one thing about me, there are streets before you. I'm there in the street, you don't have no street credibility, boy. You don't have nothing, boy. No street credibility, boy. You don't have pussy. Batty face. Remember, say you have a video on the internet where it's a man a paint on your beard on your face. The ear they were there on your face from round here, so come right round here, so. Remember, say you paint that paint on your face by a man. Pussy. You not tag the batty boy. Can him feel like him can't talk. Hey, Shimarko, batty face. Remember me tell you this. Do song, my youth. Come off of your blood clot Instagram, my youth. This is not an Instagram war. Kaya Chatanaja levels card about artist entourage. My youth, me eat before you in a dance hall. Me eat before you in a dance hall. And as far as Gully God and Cartel name go, Flexx name dead too. Your name not dead. Your name is not there. As far as Mavoda and Vibes Cartel name go in a dance hall, Flexx name go there too. Remember how me enter this warrior for evening. Forward from another war. You just forward from another little eye and a little eye. And that's why I shoot you. And you never answer, you never stand up. You never stand up. Because you feel like Gully God did I go answer you. Who the fuck is you? You're artist Batman. If I never auto-tune, sing one song. Record one song without auto-tune. Go in your studio and record a song without auto-tune and put it out. And make Jamaica hear it. Them I go ask, who this? Who that man? We don't know him. My youth a auto-tune save you, know. Nobody come go like you're an artist boy, you know. Yeah, you might can write, just like how I can write. You can write. What from that? What kind of title you have, boy? What kind of title you have? You have a title around here? Hmm? More than for suck pussy and lick out batty wall. And one girl shit on your forehead and stain it. And it can't come off. Go do one surgery if you take it off. Not even Lipro can save you. Go and go straighten your leg and straighten your life. You're crooked. You're crooked youth. Wanna tag him now, man? Cause to them dep on him blood clot, wait name there. Him live at chat a bag of fuckery and attack. This and attack. That in your for war. Do one song. Cause remember saying no. Pussy. All the dog want to kill you. All the dog ignorant. You hear the dog about? I call me dog want to kill you. Can you imagine the 2-foot dog them? Pussy. You bad? Some song, Shimarko. I could go at it song for song and then you can say, yo, I'm not on your level. But to me, I feel like you're not on my level. So, basically, it come like something not going right this car. Remember, say, me shoot you already, you know, you're running up and draw levels card and say, me not on your level. You see it? And you go so now, and you're forward now, and you're there. On Instagram and a bag of chatting and I call up my name and I call me Eggy and I call me this and I draw levels card but you're not warn artist entourage. Cause you know say the artist forward with a blood clot entourage. So you hear one now, you can't manage that. You can't manage the artist plus figure manage the artist entourage there. Cause remember say all the people them where you're there around Atlanta are our people them too. So every yo bro, don't be scared. Nobody do that fish there. Demarco, Lose him way like him, brother Nemo. See if you in a way you want to pan land. You love man so till you want on you, man. You see that big fat rifle there? The new one. That me I go use and burn up them gang. The shit belly one. The bend foot one. Run out of the war like a 10-foot man. Rifle shot a pitch him from 4 mile long. Don't have the fire ready for with 4 gas oil pan for burn up them land. Burn up them van. Burn up them studio when them have I sang. You hear how much burn up that? Who tell them to come this wicked man tie up woman and child with murder husband? Body start find all over the island from town to Mobile Negril to St. Anne. So what on there, brother? Oh, you going like your bad? Say something, no, man. Do one song. Do one song. Because I know I'm bad, you know. And I want thing with my fans and my people, them know me love war. You want war with the gun carriers. You don't want war with the warriors. You want war with the gun carriers. Fucking idiot. You know the warrior them will bust the head, Demarco. In a real life still, but people, when if you tell him to do a song, I'm not going with nothing, you know. A long time, hey, yo. Hey, yo, John was star. John, I have to just laugh, dog. Them artists are just never, yo, them just never seems to me amaze me like, really. So Demarco, you feel like say you feel like say you can't kill me in a music history, pussy. You can't sing one song for kill Flexx in the complex. If you're all right, like how me is an artist entourage, Zine, and me is a nobody. Sing one song, no man. Just sing one song, no me. I beg you, please. Sing a song. Batty face, sing one song. Shit up mouth, pad mouth, batty boy. Sing one song, no, please, me. I beg you, sing one song. Sing one song. But here what? Me no want you sing the song after your woman pissing on your mouth. I mean, I want you sing the song after you lick out the batty wall. Here what more you do? More you sing one bad man song, but you have to purify yourself. You have to purify your talk. And if I talk, you talk, me not in it, bro. Most of the time, oftenly, just do 2 songs. Make we start the war. And start the war the real way. You understand what I say? Instead of to forward on internet, I play a levels card and I say him not this and him not that. Just let's do dancehall and let's do some music. Let's do some music. Lyrics for lyrics, lyrically. Me could do some song. And make we see who are the better artists. Like, oh, you feel like say you're some better and body no better than you. Batty man. You're there on your life, I chat off your face and all. No. Do one song. Please, do one song. Let me bust your head in a 26 pieces. Pussy. And I make them carry down a blood clot one place where you don't have to pay on a bomber clot rents or leases. Right, they say, you know. Bro, you're not bad, man. May I tell you that. Wanna tag him? Wanna tag him because I'm on internet today, I chat off him batty face. We girl shit pan him. People don't notice, you know. If you don't look on him forehead, him have one little black stain up on him forehead. It's a girl shit pan it. It's a girl shit pan him forehead. And from she shit from pan him forehead, it's stain. Stain. And that's all me say, you know. That's all me say. Girl shit pan him forehead and stain it. It's not even one song me sing, you know. Me just say girl shit pan him forehead and stain it. Defend that. If I not lie, me I tell. Demarco, if it's not a girl shit pan your forehead and stain it, defend it. Come tell the people them, I will make your forehead stay so. If you think you're bad, tell the people them, where cause a little black spot upon your forehead. If you don't want girl shit pan it and burn it off, stain it. Look, just look. Just start. Yeah, right now, I'm not even in a bag of chatting, brother. I just want you to do a song and come off of your blood clot Instagram. Batty face. Paint, a year job him do on him face, you know. But here one now. Here one now. You don't have to do no lipo, you know. You don't have to do no lipo. Because I have a rifle here, I see. I have a rifle here. When them blood clot bullet, it lick off your blood clot face, you see. Remember, you lose weight instant. Them bullet the name liposuction. Them bullet the name lipo. When them bullet the blood, you see when them bullet they knock you. So them bullet they knock you. Belly gone, foot straighten, head bust off, everything. You bury like a nice little youth in a one casket. Them can't know say it's a fat man did in that blood clot. So stay there go and chat off your blood clot face here. Right. Yes when them they select and them they clap you from all three. Like Demarco. I'm not even alright. I'm not style I'm not calling a name. Demarco. Pussy. Do the war and stop the chatting. Man. Do the war and come ready. I'm ready. Me I tell you I'm ready, me G. And you know a bag of chatting about eggy and this and that and done. Pussy. In a life you have to do what you gotta do to make money. And for make it, you have to be a hustler as long as you not sell your body. And you not suck pussy for make it. And Flexx in the complex. Me a real survivor. You know how much artists on farm after me do farming? You know how much artists go farming? You never chat nothing about them, yet. Pussy I come talk about and I call man. Eggy I care less. Me immune to that right now. But me can tell you something. Remember say, are you forward from interview and say you used to cut blood clot grass, they used to cut land. And people land they used to have to cut to survive. At daytime. And at night time you lick out batty wall and suck pussy. That they used to do to survive. So when you say real bad man, you have to recognize that. I know I say you recognize that's why you're afraid to even sing a song. Because you know I say pussy. You know I say if you sing a song I want whole blood clot entire say you're afraid like puss. And you're there on phone and chat off your mouth. Chat off your mouth. Just do a song. Just do a song. Kimmy, Bantan, this is not no girl's time. Okay? This is not no girl's time and no girl's time now. This is guns time. This name, guns busting up themselves and a gal wine up themselves. So, we don't need to tell an artist, we don't look a Batman artist when make man paint on him ear pan him face. I make gal shit pan him forehead and they on internet every day I chat off him stinking batty mouth. We don't need to tell him say to answer me song them and tell him say yo stop chat off him mouth and stop call up my name. I'm going to the studio go record one blood clot song and be a man and stop run from war boy you want $6 million for Clash of Sting. A 6 million man you want for fuck you in your batty wall. Batty boy go suck your mama. You're going like you're a bad artist. You're not bad. You're not bad. A word play you deal with the one bag of and nothing makes sense. But hello, pussy and a sawargo, brother. And a sawargo, brother. War no gossa, brother. Not even worth $60 US. About $6 million. 30,000 US you alone want get. And you're not bad. Me never, alright. Me na music. A good while now. And him in a music long time now. You never take a some fest. You never take a sting. Me never see you perform on one show where you dominate. Me never see you do nothing great in a music yet. You are one of the artists that never do nothing great in a music yet more than get it song like other artists is and get song. You get song, yes, we can't take that from you. But what otherwise from getting song in music? What you do? Which big show you can't ever perform because you can't move on stage. I'm pussy. You think you can stand up in front of me on stage and talk badness? Me kick. Me, you can fall up on a stage for me and talk about badness. When me done, kick up your blood clot and bust up your blood clot face with all my vice projector. I say pussy. You're a bad man, you're smart. You can stand up with me on stage and talk about badness with me. You idiot boy. You have sense. First of all, you don't have the authenticity as a dancer, clash artist, for even in an argument with me. Demarco will write off your career, your life, and every moment. Bumbuckler thing where you work for. Just do it. Just initiate the war. Don't talk. Just let's do it. Pussy, you know, in a sense, man. One like you're an idiot, boy, you're a chatter, boy. You have levels? What kind of levels you have in a dance hall? Big up Deva, Brad. Bumbuckler. What kind of levels you have in a dance hall? What kind of levels you have in a dance hall? Shimako. Batty face. Where girl shit by your forehead. He's not known as one of the greatest.
Like I'm from one, but I vaguely remember.
Yeah, people.
Really took place. The Orlando dance hall.
Yeah, man.
That
Big up the people, them. Because I know, say, I want thing with my fans, them, you know. You see, with my fans, them know, say, me a war animal. Them know, say, me a war machine. Big up my fans, them.
very interesting time.
We know about Flexx and stay with Flexx from way back in the days, from 2005, 2006.
You know, at the time, so you know, they just were.
Uno know say me not laugh with people. But here with this Batman now. Him a go on like say him a big artist and him bigger than my youth. Me eat before you in a dance hall, Shimako. Me flexing the complex. And people, if I lie me I tell. If I lie me I tell, uno comment on the live and say Flexx a lie I tell. Don't play no hypocrite. Me flexing the complex. Me eat before Shimako in a dance hall. Me have big song before Shimako in a dance hall. So when him a chat off him mouth and I go like say my this and him a that, him is nothing. You're not a bigger artist for me. You're not a big artist for me. You is not a big artist for me. You are not a big artist for me. You're a big artist for some little man where you and them in a toss up now, but you is no big artist for me. None at all. None at all. Try remember that. See, I come chat off your stinking mouth, batty boy. Go suck out your mama. Go suck out your big pussy mama and dive up in your father batty hole. May I make sure this in the worst way. I know say I go see this tomorrow. May I make sure this in the worst way. You're not bad. You're not bad. Remember say you fuck Renee 630, you know, but you suck her pussy too. Renee 630, sit down in your face. That's why she can't have so much argument and have so much chat. Yeah. Say you talk about you gotta release video. You gotta release video. Make sure the video them when you release are the video when she did a sit down on your face. Make sure you release that video there too. Like a freaky batty boy. Pussy. Remember say you have green card from your 9-year-old. And from your 9-year-old you suck pussy. Boy. From New York to Maryland to Atlanta. Your name in the streets is no bad man. You just go on like you're bad through some song. You're bad in a song. No pussy. We're bad in a song. Can't bad me up. Cause Shimako, you don't have no street credibility more than me. My thing in the streets different. You don't have street credibility more than me. And I lie me I tell. And I hype me I hype. You don't have no street credibility over me. Flexing the complex. And me afraid of. That's why. And me tell you already and me I tell you again. You see, if me did a bumbleclad Jamaica, you think you could have gone a bumbleclad Grand Spring, you could have go up there. Me would have make sure that. I mean, I tell you that. Suck out your mama batty boy. People don't love mix up here. I don't love mix up, so. Yaga Road. At artist.
Yes.
That's the kill Demarco,
Neato. Bumbleclad.
in an interview like Demarco. Mavoda go on, you know.
It's a Warizan.
No, that did not work because the people that were just like.
Brianna, you love the mix up here? And the one Kimmy, oh, you're not the pan clubhouse. Why not go? What not do over here? What you want, Kimmy? What ya? Hi. I don't want to over. Big up my supporters, them, what you mean? Huh? Yo. Boss, you know see the boy, afraid. The boy afraid. The boy go up on live and a chat off him out and him not do no song. Him fi do one song, but my boss off him head, man. Yeah, that's why I'm afraid, bro. But we not trouble him. We just want, we not trouble him. We not see him now. We and beat him up. We just do a little. Him a sing a song and me sing a song. So him not afraid. No, the one room for let's see, one room there. Yeah, one there. Him not far. Him not reach you know. Yeah, man. That today hour. But Wednesday. But me tell you about Thursday. Thursday, Friday. Yeah, man. Me I tell him in general. I say it about me I tell him, but it alright. It do, man. Remember say everything them know. Them know say it real. Everybody know say it real. Them know say it real. Them know. Everybody know. But me tell him already. Me tell him already. But it's a Thursday, Friday, and do it. Friday would have been the best time, and that man tell you Thursday, Friday, man. Thursday, all right. I'm trying to make it work for Thursday. But me go and talk. Me soon call you back still. Because I'm there on the live here. Go on. Because me have to shoot. My boss, me want you tell them, say, me no want you talk to them. I tell just keep silent. Not say nothing. You don't know nothing. You're not business with nothing. Zin? Not to me that, my general. Just not say nothing. You're not business with it. J.A. Well, boss, me soon call you back. Me soon call you. Yes. Yes! I ain't got, you know, say me have entertainment phone, but here we go on now. Hey, hey. Hey, for my people, them, hey, you see, una set down, you know. You, hey, Kimmy, Brianna, I see you, Miss Elizabeth, now some set down, you know. Yeah, man, me I gonna murder that, man. Me I murder that, man. Me not, listen, cause here we go on now. Cause here we go on now, in a real life now. In a music is not a joke thing still, you know. You see me, and here we go on now. You see, me know what me can do in a music, and they know what I can do. You understand me? I say, so me now make no boy belittle me and make me feel like say, them because Demarco is not more than me. I mean, I tell you already, me eat before in a dance hall. So nobody come join a level scale and I talk about artist entourage. Pussy, you not have no entourage. Me is an artist with an entourage, with full of be artist and You cannot, I mean, I tell you, say, yo, me I tell you, say, Shimarko, me I tell you, say, you have to, you say, me a eggy, you have my file, you have secret for me, you have this. But, bro, me used to sell eggs as an artist, because I did have a farm. You know, me have a farm, a fowl farm, layers. Demarco, you know how much for 100 layers? Hmm? Much as you have like about 3,000? You have so much money? You could have so much money for like, say, oh, you got to farming and you go put so much money in a farming. You think farming a little money something? And you say me an eggy, I have to go sell back egg. All right then, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. At least we still are gonna make money. Make sure no say if you mind your pitney them, and if you take care of your pitney them eat egg every morning when them a go to school. If you send them to school, or if he's a good father, like how me is a good father to my kids them. If he's one of them father there, egg. You don't know what's the egg, you make enough money off of egg. See? You want to do the calculation or you want me to do the calculation with you to show you the millions there? Alright. Take that out of the way. You was a gardener pussy. A people you did a work for. A people yard you did a cut. A you say it. A you say it out of your mouth. And nobody tell me, you say it out of your mouth. You was a gardener. When your mother kick you out of the house, and you never have nowhere to go, because you say you want the music, and the first girl you get over one club or you go over one club, them time that when you get the first girl in another club, they may have fuck girl long time. When the blood clot is. That little pussy, well, you idiot, you know no sense in a body boy. And now, through you have little ear by your face, go around, so you feel like you have one little image you want to come chat off your mouth. Give me something for small. You want to come chat off your mouth. Demarco, you're not a bad man for me. I want you. Me, Flexx in the complex, will make you can't go some place where you feel like you can go. Me have them powers there, and you know that too. So I could just war out the thing and I could just level the thing and don't bring the level card. I want batty man. You know have nothing, a matter of fact. To I laugh, me happy, I laugh, baby. But people, yeah man, Gardner versus the farmer to blood clot. The gardener versus the farmer. Elizabeth, that is it. Man, yeah man. The gardener versus the farmer, yeah man. So me used to sell egg. And he used to who says that?
Never sober.
Yo. People, me love on into the war still. Me I start it. Me I start it, man. I still want a couple eggs. Yeah, man, eggs expensive, man. Enough money me make off of my egg them, Whole heap of money me make off of egg them, man. Yo, you see me telling you so, you see it, you have to behave on yourself. I swag here. The man say you're born with egg, so you still want egg. How much egg you want, so? You're not born with egg. Be a old McDonald's there in a dancer. I go tell Shimarko that. China. Farmer, gardener. Mm. Give me one of them. I'm gonna read it. Yeah, the song I got drop, man. The song I got drop. Two of me have song. Me not for go in a studio for drop the song, And you see when it drop, you know I got know say I him me attack. That for sure you say, me as a boy, me always prepare for war. Me not for go in a no studio for drop a song. But you know I hear a song. No, me not put in a no song. California. Yeah, man. California weekend, man. California, what a weekend. Give me a. Yes, people, well, you are going now. Coming in and talking. What, rap paper? I'm in a very good spirit. Yes. I'm in a very good spirit. Because I know I'm going to kill somebody. I know blood is going to spill. And when blood is going to spill, I spill it at will. I know I'm going to kill somebody. I'm pretty sure. I know my capabilities. And I know my abilities. And I know I got lyrics and I got rhymes and I got bars for years, for months, for decades. And like, you don't get the best of me until it's wartime. When it's wartime, I'm like a fucking slime. When it's wartime, I'm grimy, I'm slimy, I'm rhymy. Listen to me. Me, I'm my personal dopey that. Demarco. Me, you are gonna be my personal dopey in a dance hall. Remember me tell you. Uh, everybody, yo, Mike, everybody. No, me not afraid of artists, me not afraid of people. You know how much artists afraid for me? Like you know, Shimako. I can put my neck on the black pussy with the Glock. I'm just as me that go put my neck on the Glock and it's still with the boss. But you know what? You not have the street credibility when I have. You not have the fame when I have a road, Demarco. I'm gonna give you your flowers. You have a couple bad song, girl song, where yeah, but pussy, you not have no strike, boy, you in a dance hall, boy, war. Me have that. Me have that. Me have that. You not have that. You not have that. You never kill no artist yet, you only chat and go on like say you're bad and you not have nothing under your belt. You say nothing pussy. Nothing. Nothing. You never fight a war yet. You only jump in a war and go on like you want to be a warrior, but you're not a warrior. And you see the real gunman them and the real bad people them, you fear you come chat off your mouth. Pussy. Wanna tag him and send him this. Come on him see this. Come on pussy more you do one song. No, the people them are gonna tag him, but me I gonna tag him big too. Me ready for kill yo, me ready for kill Shimako now when I'm ready for kill that batty face, shit up face boy there now. Demarco, you can't war me. I guarantee that, my youth. I'm a bet you and win you any money right now, pussy. Put your money on the table right now. Me I tell you that. I'm confident in myself. Me know me can bust off your head. I want to tell you, boy. You know nothing about war, pussy. Ask Cartel. Ask Addy the teacher. Him know and him can tell you, pussy. Ask him. Boy, you go like you're an idiot. You have sense, batty man. But me know, cause here what I go on. You know, you say if you did have me as a little weak artist, as a little pussy, you'd say something like that, but you're going like you want to talk out the war. You're going like you want to talk out the war, you know. You talk out the war, brother. Make war.
By art.
Make war. Sponge music. Call out your friend. Tell your friend, say, give your friend one rhythm. Sponge, give your friend one rhythm, make him come war. Give your friend one rhythm over Atlanta. Sponge. Me know when me turn the blood clot rifle over Atlanta and a bullet catch you over there, you know. So it's either you go there in a car, yo, me the rifle I go turn over Atlanta, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. You're scared there. Might feel like I throw me. Turn the rifle over Atlanta. Pussy them a cat. Nah, me not say nothing. Let me shut up my mouth.
Yes.
Hey, why me love war so?
Yes.
Why me love war so? Yo, Jano. Yo, Sassy Perilla. Me know say you over there going with a bag of sitting now, you know. Me know say you're ready, you know. Sassy Perilla, me know say you're ready, you know. But honestly, still, people, I watch him live today. I'm here where I must say. I watch him live today. I'm here where I must say, but him not really going with nothing. You see me where? Come on, like.
It work.
As much as you can sing some hit song, me can sing some hit song too. What the people them know. So if me and you, they on one stage, me can sing song what the people them know, and you sing song what the people them know. So it's not like say me is an artist where me not have song. I got songs, it's songs. Me have songs. So make a war then. Make a war, but probably me end up beat you up, you know, physically and lyrically, you know. Cause if you thought nothing when me not like me, I thump you in your face, you know. Me I tell you that cause you're not bad in a real life, you know. But we can hold a vibes on the stage and not bring the violence tonight. But when you're forward now and you draw your little levels, dirty card them and I go and like say, yo, this and that and Ray. No, he's not that type of person, my G. We know you for a long time. You love laugh and skin your teeth and go on like one big dirty bitch. That's you. That's all it is, laugh and skin your teeth like one big war. So you skin out for your man them. Fuck you in your batty hole, batty boy. Suck your woman. Well when you see that live here, you know, cause me attack some X-rated, dangerous something that's more hurt your heart, more hurt your feelings. More hurt your feelings. More say some things where yeah man, more push a dagger through your heart. More when you hear this and when you see this, you say, oh that boy you chat so, oh that pussy you go. Pussy go suck your mama. No, I have songs. I got songs. But I'm just a flying in New York. I'm just a follow the world. Because here we go now. Here where the thing start from now. Dancehall at seat, you know. So here we go now. Him forward and him talk, so me forward and me I talk to. So him, me forward pan dancehall at seat. So I tell him say girl shit pan him forward and stay in it. Give me one wait name there. One real slap. What that run up and sing a thing one night? Yeah man, dancehall at seat I place man. And I dance all at seat. But here I know. I wait for this song for forward. More Shandelak send me this song, I can more post it. I need this song right now. Madam men, try boss, deep bumbleclad. I whole team over here. The scheme hot. Bumbleclad. And a lace. What is on my head? What is that? You want me to tell you what is on my head? One cemetery. Be a dead body. See how me eye them look? See how me eye them look black? There's a cemetery there on my head. A be a ghost. There's a cemetery there on my head with be a dead body. I am the Grim Reaper. There's a cemetery there on my head top. Yeah? Be a duppy. Be a duppy. Hey, man. I had a whole on over here to come to torment me tonight. I'm not going to hear a song till in the full. Where is it? Yeah, man, I be a dead body in Americans. Murder. Skeleton. Be a skeleton. Try love me no man. Yo, me say, people, yo, me I telling you, yo, some sitting I run through my, yo, I just flying in, yo, me I tell you, say, yo, near to God, yo, Jano, give me one light there, yeah. Where you say go?
Too much now. Just give my a daring argument. Give me a say, yo, you got 24 hours.
Alright, here we go now.
24 hours I agree about flowers, is it?
Alright, people. I have 2 songs for job.
I tell you, 24 hours I agree about flowers.
People, I have 2 songs for job. Somebody tag this Boaz and tell him, say, him have 24 blood clot hours. You understand me, I say? And as my brother J.A. say, a grave or flowers. Because here we go now. See the bag of chatting on internet and the bag of talking about fuckery. I'm not depend on it. So here what I got to know. I have 2 songs. But yo, them always I make it look like say yo, and me always I start the war them. You understand? So when I start the war them and say some bag of something, them leave on deaf ears like them not hear and them, you understand, cause them afraid. So here we go on now, Shimarko. Zine, Mr. Boaz, I'm gonna give you 24 hours to answer or to call my name and say something. You understand? And then after that, you're gonna get your grave with some pretty flowers. Cause you know, you know, me can't take the talking and the bagger. Me like poor song and me like put out song. Me like when you know the thing is on. You understand me? I say so. So here we know. Yes, it's true. Me know say. Yes, it's true. Me know me can do what me know what me can do. Remember, you know, brother, Shimarko, Alliance, Gully Side, NATO. Remember, say, I am not a normal person, bro. Don't fuck yourself. You need just do song, brother. I'm ready for war. I'm ready for war now. I'm ready for war now. And you know what? People, when I'm chatting, I'm ready like I'm ready. I'm ready like I've never been ready before. Me want war. Cause when I sing my song, them sometimes them waste car. Me not have nobody fi say yo, him my talk. Like more the people them start say, yes, that one you have for him. Yeah. I need tractions, motherfucker. You fucking stupid dumbass nigga. Wanna know say the NATO at war? Wanna know when I'm NATO? Wanna know what is the NATO? Alright, Gully Side, NATO. Alright, remember me telling you this. Just tag on an artist and tell him, say, just stop him fuckery, because I'm ready right now. Right now, I get tired. So, people, here I go on. I Shandy Lax to send the song yet. I want to play one song for you. Say, Jesus Christ. Now wait upon the song, see, man. I want to play this song, yeah. I want to play this song, yeah. No, I'm going to get it yet. I wait upon it. I wait upon it. I want to get this song, yeah. I want to get this song, yeah. Sassy, you're there on our studio? If you're there on our studio, tell the boss if you what going on with the song. Ask him what going on with the song. I'm ready. Tell him send it. Send it, go give Phil, make him put up, make him fix up something on it and you know? Hey boy, never sober. Pussy. Come on for my life before me. Hey, you know what I got block you, boy. See, you there in New York. We say, a New York, you there and never sober. You're not safe, you know. Don't fuck yourself. Come on for my life, boy. What the fuck do you?
Yeah. Never sober. Boom. Move back.
Loading. Alright, my boss. Loading. Alright. Loading. Loading. People on the sue here want to want here. No worry on yourself. It's coming. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I student the whole day, you know, my advice at least about 3 songs tomorrow. Whole day right now. I like December and I like them time of the year I work hard. The rest of the year them people the artists them just afraid. The one Shima come on, you know from when me I try kill the batty boy and him a run, man. You know from when me want kill him and the man a run, the man just a run and I make be a chat. Yo, I call him and say my youth where you run for just make a war in the dog. But me no want him feel like I no come out and no friendly something me depend. Me want bust him head, me want. Cause me hear him, me hear him. But want him say something. Want him say something when me hear like or know like a me matter. Come on, yo. J.A. that I know nothing man attack, him attack man. I want him do one song man where he must say. We do one song say Eggy. I just say something in a one song. Cause if him talk, all me I go do a forward come talk. If me do one song, him not go answer. Cause I go free just like how me do killy. Remember when me do killy, you know? To a killy, entertainment report forward for me when me I suffer, you know? And me do killy and bust off me and the man run like thief, you know? The man run like thief and me say blood clot, where me run for just... So if you is this bad artist, right? Where you will say, oh, you're a bad artist, I hear a man sing a song and call the name so brave and bold. You know, if you say, who that boy? Alright, a gully side. Alright. Can't remember him not like Mavoda, you know. Me is the defender of the gully side. Any pussy call gully side name already. And that's how the war starts, Demarco. So if you remember how it start, you just remember, cause remember gully god they shoot off. And you know, in a gully god caliber for gully god even call your name and answer you. So me do killy. You understand? Cause in other war there with alkaline, popcorn, Mavoda and Vice Cartel, him jump in the war and start shoot off a gully god. Zine? And him start shoot off a gully god. And me say, but hold on, the war uneven. Cause popcorn and alkaline a war. And Mavoda and Cartel a war. Oh, him reaching at the war. So I go somewhere and I say, and shoot him. Cause him the 2 song, you know. 2 song him do, you know. And I say, I'm gonna go so I shoot him, and after I shoot him, I no hear no more song and like my song go viral. And in a them time when song not even go viral, cause I do video and everything. Entertainment report. The man run out of the war, and I say, okay, so you're looking at easy way. You're gonna die today. Pussy. Yo, yo, listen to me now. Listen to me now, Shimako. Stop playing stupid and stubborn. And just war. He's no bigger star for me, pussy. A matter of fact, you know, say, I got more places than you in Ireland. You know, I got more places than you in Ireland. More places like, alright, if you go draw a levels card, you know what I'm saying, in real life, I got more places than you in Ireland. I'm going to perform more places than you in the world. Only difference is that you might have headline you show them. You understand what I say? Me is a team, a camp. So, gully side. You understand what I say? So, at the end of the day, you can't draw levels card pan Flex. Me got more places than you, Shimako, in a music. I mean, it before you in a music more than one time. Before you. That is something I'm sure about in the history of music. And you know one thing I'm sure about again? Me got more places than you in a music. And the more perform for more sure globally than you in a music. So the levels card where you draw and I say, yo, this and that and una dep on Ufa level, and you una dep on my level, Batman. And you're afraid of me at the end of the day. Because you're not dep on my level for real, and you're afraid of me. In a real talk, as much as you ever say, yo, come here, you talk about, you must send out and Mavoda send him out and Renee. Bro, if me there, so, and sing a one, something over there, so me, I got deal with it. Pussy, go suck your mama. Me flexing the complex, I got deal with it. Me, I got deal with it, because my brother that. If him call me and him say flex, you know, say, Ray, me, I got deal with it. That I not send out. That is just brother love. Because you see, at the end of the day, when the whole thing has started and before everything, and me are the man, and me do everything same way for everybody. Right, straight across the board. Ask them. They will tell you. Me never left out my friend them yet. More time I feel like me love my friend them more than all them love me and respect me. And that is not a problem to me. So when you come bring your levels card and come and chat off your batty face and I talk about who have send out that, them send him out a shop. Bro, no pussy can send me a shop. Nobody can send me a shop. I've been a boss from day one, bro. But you know why you are gonna pre them way there? Because he's a pussy. And if your friend tell you, asks you to do something, you're not gonna do it. You understand? Because you feel like you're a star. But in my camp, in my crew, where you see the whole of we par, we all are stars. So none of we no more than nobody. Because you see, if me call singer, I'm say singer, you know, say, more deal with this and more deal with that, it I got deal with. And that are the difference. You understand what I say? So uno feel like say you like it's just, nah. You understand what I say? It's levels, bro. It's levels. None of my brother them can't call me and say, yo, Flex Ray, and me tell them, no, I tell them, nah, do it. None of them. None of them. Any one of them where you see power around me. Anytime them call me for my phone and say, bro, you know, say, Ray, te. Me, I gonna make aware. That's why we say, fine, aware. You chat off your mouth, you not have no levels over me, youth. Remember me tell you that. No levels you not have over me. Remember that a loyalty we say straight. That's why you say, even when me and Gully got in a little rift and whatever, we can go so and be back. Brother gonna alright and talk about it and know say you're Ray, cause we are real. That's name that name love and realness, bro. You understand me I say? And I like Uno, we are some little blood clad, all empty packages and barrels that make a lot of noise and ain't shit. You understand me I say, dog? Dog. Me I tell you, brother. I don't understand life, man. Yeah, dog. Big up Breezy. Madam Main. Empty garbages, man. Where you say when a King James student? Yeah, baby G don't want to see them boy, man. Them boy, they are, I don't know to post to them. Yeah, man. So when me hear him a chat off him mouth and I chat some things, but just laugh. Because I know I say, yo, I dop you back that. Yeah, me and Breezy go and hold them out. The one I really with them from day one. Mm-hmm. But my people, the war is up. It load up. All right, me I gotta check my thing them now. Me so make some link people. Big up on yourself. Enough love and respect. Little more. Madam Mean.